up, boys and girls? Welcome to our nature studies video. The time has come. We get to plant our seeds. So go ahead and grab this from your binder. You're going to need your seeds that are inside the binder, your bag of soil, and your little planter. So go ahead and go get those. And you might need your parents' help for this, okay? So go ahead and go get those things, put pause, and then come right back. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining us. So go ahead and take out your seeds. There are some directions on some of yours. Everyone has a couple of different seeds. I want you to go ahead and open the packet right now. Go ahead and open the packet. Don't take anything out, just open the packet. And try to look at your seeds. Share my screen. Try to look at your seeds. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. Can you see my seeds a little bit? There are the seeds. Do you see them? Good. Okay. So what we're going to do is you have different little planters. I would recommend getting some type of plate to put underneath, because when you water them, you don't want anything coming out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a plate. Go put pause and go get a plate for yourself as well. Okay, boys and girls, I have a fancy little plate here that I'm going to use. But this is just me. You can get any plate you want. Okay, so first, get your plate, put it underneath, get your planter. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the soil. Watch me first, please watch me first. I'm gonna grab my soil with my hands and I'm gonna place it inside the planter. Place it inside the planter. And I'm gonna do that for all the other ones too. Keep on filling up all your planters. Fill them up, not to the very top, just fill them up. You see how it can get a little bit messy? It's important to have that plate. Okay, fill them up. Keep on filling up those plants, those planters. You should have a whole baggie worth. There you go. Okay, good. So remember, what did we say? Plants need water, they need sunlight, and they need nutrients, right? So we're giving it the nutrients that it needs in the soil. Please put your plant near a window so that it can grow with the sunlight. It needs sunlight. And it needs water. You don't want to put too much water. Maybe a little bit every day, a little bit every day. I'm planting carrots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the seeds. Watch, please. So thank you for watching. So go ahead and do this with me. Go ahead and put all of your soil into the planters. You can do that right now. Go ahead and do that right now. Good. Go ahead and put your soil inside all of those planters. Take your time. Like I said, you're probably going to need an adult to help you with this. And here I have some seeds. So go ahead and put pause if you need more time. Now I have my seeds in my hand. There's not a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig like a little hole. I'm just gonna put my finger in. Do you see how I'm putting my finger in? There's a hole. Finger in. Just put your finger in. Put your finger in, make a hole. Put your finger in, make a hole. Put your finger in, make a hole. Put your finger in and make a hole. Then you're gonna grab the little seeds. There's not a lot, so grab a little bit of them and put it inside the hole. Grab a little bit of the seeds and put it inside your hole. Grab a little bit of your seeds and put it inside your hole. Grab a little bit of these seeds and put it inside your hole. Do the same thing over here. Okay. I don't think I have too many left for this one, so this one might not grow. Okay, so now that you've done that, now you're gonna cover it. Just cover the hole back up a little bit. Cover the hole, cover the hole. Good, cover the hole. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. So put pause and go get some water. I just got my water, but go put pause and get some water. Okay, now that you have some water, it's easier for you to grab a water bottle. It's so much easier to do that. So if you can do that, get a water bottle. And for me, it says to pour water over the soil. It says to keep it nice and moist, which means it wants the soil to be wet all the time. Don't put too much on it, because if you put too much water, the plant it will die. So just put a little bit of it on top, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And let the water sink down, because the soil will absorb it. Okay? Now it's important that you have a plate, because look, there's water over here. Water. Do you see that? Do you see the water coming down that way? So it's important that you have a plate. Okay? Don't worry, the soil will absorb the water. This one's pretty moist. This one's good. And water it tomorrow. Put a little bit of water. It doesn't need a lot, just a little bit. And before you know it, you'll start seeing a stem sprout. Okay? First, the roots will start to grow a little bit. You gotta give it some time. The roots have to grow. Then after the roots grow, then you'll start seeing a stem. Okay, and that is it for your nature studies today. Just keep on looking after your plant. That's your homework for today, is to set it up today. And that is all you have to do. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that you get to see your plant come alive and grow. Totus tuus, Maria.